Hey everybody, welcome to day 17 of the $500 DoDash Challenge. Today, I'll discuss a crucial aspect of content creation that often determines whether your video gets noticed or overlooked. Thumbnails and titles. Think of them as maybe the cover and title of a book. They create the first impression and entice viewers to click or open the book. Let's look at how to craft compelling thumbnails and titles that capture attention and drive engagement. So, what is the importance of thumbnails and titles? Imagine scrolling through a vast library of videos. What makes you pause and consider watching one? It's likely the thumbnail and title. They serve as the gateway to your content, and their effectiveness can significantly impact your video's performance. First impressions do matter. Thumbnails and titles are the first elements potential viewers see. A captivating combination can pique curiosity and encourage clicks. Influence on click-through rate, which is your CTR. An enticing thumbnail and title can boost your CTR, signaling to platforms like YouTube that your content is valuable and worth promoting. Setting viewer expectations. Thumbnails provide a snapshot of your video's content, helping viewers decide if it aligns with their interests. Now let's look at crafting compelling titles. Your title plays a pivotal role in attracting viewers and enhancing discoverability. Here's how to create titles that stand out. 1. Incorporate relevant keywords. Enhance searchability. Including keywords that your target audience is likely to search for increases the chances of your video appearing in search results. For instance, if your video is about creating engaging thumbnails, a title like "How to Create Click-Worthy YouTube Thumbnails" is effective. 2. Be concise and specific. Clarity is key. Aim for titles that are clear and to the point. Viewers should grasp the video's content at a glance. For example, 10 tips for better video editing is straightforward and informative. 3. Evoke curiosity. Spark interest. Phrasing your title in a way that arouses curiosity can entice viewers to click. Questions or intriguing statements like, "Are you making these common filmmaking mistakes?" can be effective. 4. Avoid clickbait. Build trust. Ensure your title accurately reflects the content. Misleading titles may attract clicks, but can harm viewer trust and retention. Let's look at designing eye-catching thumbnails. A thumbnail is a visual representation of your video and plays a significant role in attracting viewers. Here's exactly how to design thumbnails that capture attention. 1. Use high-quality images. Professional appearance. Clear, high-resolution images convey professionalism and attract viewers. Blurry or pixelated images can deter potential viewers. 2. Incorporate faces and emotions. Human connection. Thumbnails featuring faces with expressive emotions can create a connection with viewers, making them more likely to click. 3. Utilize bold text. Enhance messaging. Add concise, bold text to your thumbnail. This can reinforce the video's topic. Ensure the font is legible, even on smaller screens. 4. Apply contrasting colors. Stand out. Using contrasting colors can make your thumbnail pop, drawing attention amidst a sea of other videos. 5. Maintain brand consistency. Build recognition. Incorporate elements like your logo or consistent color schemes to establish a cohesive brand identity. What are some best practices for thumbnails and titles? Well, to maximize the effectiveness of your thumbnails and titles, consider the best practices. 1. Ensure relevance. Align with content. Both your thumbnail and title should accurately represent your video's content to meet viewer expectations. 2. Test different approaches. You can do A/B testing. Experiment with various thumbnails and titles to determine which combinations yield the best performance. 3. Analyze performance metrics. Data-driven decisions. Monitor metrics like CTR and average view duration to assess the effectiveness of your thumbnails and titles. 4. Stay updated with the trends. Adapt and evolve. Keep an eye on industry trends and adapt your strategies to stay relevant and engaging. Let me tell you about my personal journey with thumbnails. When I first started this challenge, I underestimated the impact of thumbnails and titles. My initial videos had generic titles and were uninspired with the thumbnails, resulting in modest engagement. After researching and applying the strategies I've discussed today, I noticed a significant uptick in views and interactions. Crafting thoughtful titles and designing appealing thumbnails became an integral part of my content creation process, underscoring their importance in reaching and sticking with a broader audience. So what are my lessons learned? Invest time in planning. I allocate time to develop compelling thumbnails and titles, which is crucial for attracting my viewers. Consistency builds trust. I regularly deliver on the promises I made by creating engaging titles and interesting thumbnails, which fosters viewer trust and loyalty. And of course, I'm doing continuous improvement. I regularly review my performance data, and being willing to adapt my strategy has helped me to have sustained growth in these past 17 days. Here's my advice for fellow creators. I want you first to prioritize your authenticity. Ensure that your thumbnails and titles genuinely reflect your content to build and maintain trust. I want you to engage in community feedback. Encourage your audience to provide feedback on your thumbnails and titles to gain insights into what speaks to their heart. I want you to utilize available tools. Many of them are absolutely free on the internet. Leverage design tools and analytics platforms to create and assess the effectiveness of your thumbnails in your titles. Here's my call to action for you today. I'd love to hear about your experiences. I'd love to know what you think of my thumbnails. I'd love to know, have you experimented with different thumbnail designs or title formats? What strategies have you found most effective? If you share your thoughts and tips in the comments below, I will respond back to you. If you found this discussion today helpful, consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, and you'll get more insights and join our community of creators. Coming up will be Mastering the Art of Compelling Thumbnails and Titles and a Game Changer in Content Creation. It's an ongoing learning process, but with the right strategies, you can significantly enhance your video's reach and impact. I'm going to explore optimizing video descriptions and tags to further boost your content's discoverability. So, stay creative, keep experimenting, and I'll see you on tomorrow. Bye for now.